Okay, got my obstacle course set up for my air gun. Let's see here. So I got my soap in the bottle. I got one hole in it so far. Plan on making another hole around here somewhere. And my Coke cans, and I got the spinners set up here. They don't spin too much, and I got a spinner down there. And then I got my army men over here. And my golf balls, and my half golf balls. And I got my animal targets. Gonna see what I can do with my gauntlet. Arr. Wish me luck. Wish me skill. Whatever it takes. Alright. 30 shots. Well, that's my 30 shots. Obstacle course. And I got one golf ball that didn't get any hurts in it because the other one knocked it off. So it's usable still. But it was only off on a couple shots. That's pretty good. Wasn't taking my time, that's for sure. And I hit it about where I wanted to on the soap. Pretty cool. Wow. And then I got the animals. Some of them I had to shoot at a couple times, but I did pretty good. I got the bird in the leg on the last one, bottom of the breast, and right a good shot in the heart. So 1 out of 3 birds was going to go. I got quite a few Army men. Two golf balls I shot at, I got them. 2 halves I shot at, I got them. So it was a good day on my stationary airgun obstacle course. Yeah.